whip, listening to my shit. She wanna hit track 6. She told me that's her. Baby girl said I got the title. Got a nigga feeling like Michael Jackson. Jordan, don't matter to me, they both.
If I didn't rob it on curb, would you still? If I minimize my net worth, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really wanted to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you, 'cause not a lot of guys.
Alrighty, take this LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Medium Beige. Since I'm going to be putting yellow on my eyes and I want it to pop, I'm going to be using another concealer color, way lighter than my skin. So first I'm going to start by applying it to my eyes.
Trust me then too. Keep it a whole 100. Don't got you, I got now. I'm on the way. We ain't got no time to waste. Popping your gum on the way. Am I in the way? No more pressure, you none. I want your blessing today. Oh, by the way, open the door by the way. Told you that I'm on the way. I'm on the way. I know connection is big. Pick up the phone for me, babe. If you have my love in my
Let's take my Rotex Sneak Sponge and just blend this out.
Would you come? I'm done with these bitches. I don't love these bitches. I dust off these bitches. I do it for fun.
So starting off this look, let's go in my Take Me to Brazil palette. And we're gonna take, we're gonna take this yellow right here. And we're first just gonna put this in the crease using, I believe this is a Mary Kay brush. I'm gonna take that shade and I'm just gonna pack that on in my crease. Yeah.
Personally, I'm surprised you called me after things that I said.
Skirt on bitches. I don't know these bitches. Take that on these bitches. I do it for fun. Don't take it personal. Love on my ladies. Love to my ladies.
With your boo, I might just feel on your babe. Her make you feel like a lake. I wanna swim with my face. I'm like, okay, I'll let her get what she wants. I'll buy her East and Laurent. Ain't in the whip. When I go past his horse, I got the truck in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, monetary.
Riding around on my whip, listening to my shit. She wanna hit track 6. She told me that's her. Baby girl said I got the title. Got a nigga feeling like Michael Jackson. Jordan, don't matter to me, they both.
If I didn't rob it on curb, would you still? If I minimize my net worth, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than two.
Now that I have got all of that in my crease, what I'm going to do is take this flat brush. It came in a BH Cosmetics set, and I mean it's in the number 103. But I got this set off of BH Cosmetics, and it's a really affordable makeup cosmetic site. So yeah, y'all should check that out. But anyway, I'm gonna take this shade right here, and I am gonna go in and put that all on this brush, and I'm just gonna pack this on my lid.
Wild, wild, wild thoughts. Wild, wild, wild. When I'm with you, all I get is wild thoughts. Wild, 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 wild.
Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Tell me how you got down and twerk like that. Girl, I didn't know you could get down like that. Tell me how you got down and twerk like that. Hey, hey. ¿Puedes cantar en español?
No, podemos intentarlo.
Bien, okay, vámonos. Sí, sabes que llevo un rato mirándote. Tengo que parar contigo hoy. Yeah, yeah.
Vi que tuya rata ya estaba llamándome. Me cansé el caminar, que te voy, que te voy.
Slippery, excuse me, please me, believe me, can't be, you can bet on me,
I heard that nookie for the taking. I heard they got these other fellas going crazy. Yeah, I treat you like a lady.
Now what I'm gonna do is take my eyeliner, Wet n Wild Mega Eyeliner. It's like my favorite eyeliner. This is just the easiest one for me. Alright guys, so I got my eyeliner on. Finally, now I'm about to pop some lashes on. And I'm going to take the lashes in Dodo Lashes in the style 309. I really like these. I feel like they really fit my eyes because I have some big eyes, guys. So, yeah. Fun fact about me, my eyes are big. Just kidding. I know y'all noticed that already. Alright, guys. I'll be right back after I pop these on. Okay, y'all. I told a story. I told a big fat story. So, I didn't use the Dodo lashes because they were... I really like them, but with some looks you just can't do like big dramatic lashes. And this eye is like bold by itself, even though it's only like really two colors. Kind of one because it's just yellow, just two different yellows. But yeah, it was doing too much, so I had to take them off. So now I am about to apply my lashes. The 3D Mist Volume lashes. Get it from the beauty supply store in the number M302A. I'm about to apply this lash, and then we're gonna get into this face makeup, and then y'all gonna see how beat this face about to be. Period. Alright, no, I'm just kidding, y'all. I'm just kidding. No, but for real though. Let's beat this face together, guys. As soon as I put on this lash. Uh-oh. Alright, y'all. Now that I got those lashes on, I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. And honestly, the brightness came off this mascara, so I don't even know what kind it is. I'm sorry, y'all. So all right, now let's get into this face makeup. I'm gonna take my LA Girl Pro Concealer. Y'all gonna see me use this concealer a million times, literally, because it's really like, I use this one and my Tarte Shape Tape, but I misplaced it, so I don't know where it is right now. So I'm going back into my LA Girl Pro, and she never fails me, so I'm fine with that. I'm gonna go in the shade Fawn, as I probably already said. And y'all know how I do this. I'm putting on my concealer and my foundation together. So let's do this.
I'm done with these bitches. I don't love these bitches. I dust off these bitches. I do it for fun. Don't take it personally. I'm surprised you called me after things that I said.
Skirt on bitches. I don't know these bitches. Take that on these bitches. I do it for fun. Don't take it personal. Love on my ladies. Love to my ladies.
Your boo, I might just spill on your babe. Her neck you feel like a lake. I wanna swim with my face. I'm like, okay, I'll let her get what she wants. I'll buy her East Laurent. Ain't in the whip. When I go past his horse, I got the truck in the front.
Yeah.
Yeah, money tray.
Riding around in my whip, listening to my shit. She wanna hit track 6. She told me that's her. Every girl said I got the title.
Now that I've baked, I'm just gonna go into this Black Radiance foundation powder in the shade Bronze Glow, which is my shade for face powder, and I'm just gonna put this all over my face. And that's the way that powder.
Got a nigga feeling like Michael Jackson, Jordan. Don't matter to me, they both.
If I didn't rob it on girl, would you still?
And what I didn't do that I need to do, y'all, is put some contour powder, because I'm not using any cream contour. I don't use cream contour because I'm very oily, so I try to stay away from cream products as much as possible. So what I'm about to do is apply this, okay?
If I minimize my net worth, would you still? Keep it 100, I'd rather you trust me than 2. Keep it a whole 100, don't got you, I got now. I'm on the way, we ain't got no time to waste. Popping your gum on the way, am I in the way? No more pressure, you none, I want your best in the day. Oh, by the way, open the door, by the way. Told you that I'm on the way, I'm on the way. I know connection is big, pick up the phone for me, babe.
If you have my love and I
would you come?
So now I'm gonna spray my face with my matte finish mini NYX spray. Alright. So, okay, now I'm gonna apply a little highlighter to my cheekbones and my cupid's bow and my nose to get that glow going. Now, you can't have summer, you know, vibes going on in your eyes with no highlight. Come on now.
Personal. Love on my ladies. Love to my ladies.
Long as we got yeah, I might just chill in some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just feel on your babe. Her neck you feel like a leg. I wanna swim with my.
And lastly, but not, yeah, lastly, I'm gonna take my mascara and put a little coat of mascara on my bottom lashes.
I'm like, okay, I'll let her get what she wants. I'll buy her East Laurent, ain't in the whip. When I go past his doors, I got the truck in the front.
So this completes this look. I hope y'all like it. Let me know what y'all want to see, and let me know if y'all feeling the talk throughs, or do you want me to do just like voiceovers. Like, let me know what y'all like, because what y'all like is what I'm gonna do, because it really doesn't matter to me. I would love to do what's easier for me, and of course I'm still gonna do either or both of them, but I still just want to know y'all opinion, and I want to know what all tutorials y'all want to see, what kind of colors y'all want to see. Y'all should follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and anytime say anything to me, let me know what y'all want to see and who y'all want to see on my channel. And also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, leave a comment, and press that like button. Also, turn that notification bell on so you don't miss a video. Alright guys, I'll see you on my next one. Bye!